A very good morning, students. Today I will explain you question answers of the chapter Atacama Desert Runner. This is section B from Unit 7, Class 8th English Channel. This is written by Rudranil Sen Gupta. We will do question answers in this chapter. Let us do read to understand. A part, answer these questions with reference to the context. This marathon is organized by Racing the Planet, a sporting event management company headquartered in Hong Kong and is widely recognized as the most prestigious outdoor series in the world. Question A. Which marathon is being talked about here? Where is it held? Answer. The Atacama Crossing Race is being talked about here. It was held in the Atacama Desert in Chile. Question B. What is the total distance covered in this marathon? Answer. The entire race covers a total of 250 km at altitude between 1600 and 3000 meters on the course. C part. What is the ultimate objective of this marathon? Answer. The ultimate objective of the event is not just sport but to foster greater understanding between diverse cultures and nationalities. B part. The feeling of elation and pride I felt indescribable. Oh, who is I here? Answer. I here refers to Suman Sidambi. What do you understand by the word elation? The word elation means a state of extreme happiness or excitement. Why did I have a feeling of elation and pride? Answer. Suman Sidambi had a feeling of elation and pride because he was the first Indian to complete the Atacama Crossing race. Mark these sentences as true or false. So you have to write F for false statement and a T for true statement. First, Mausinram is the driest place on earth. False. The Atacama Crossing race is organized by Racing the Earth. False. Sidambi took up running after being diagnosed with diabetes. True. Sidambi and Keked were the first Indians to complete the Atacama Ultra Marathon. This is true. 5. The competitors safely crossed through the minefield with the help of glow sticks. True. Let us do part C. Answer these questions. Question 1. What makes the Atacama Crossing Marathon a very challenging one? Answer. The Atacama Crossing Marathon is a very challenging one because the entire race covers a total of 250 kilometers and at altitude between 1600 and 3000 meters on the course, and daytime temperatures can reach 45 degrees Celsius while nighttime temperatures may drop to 5 degrees Celsius. Question 2. What motivated Sidambi to join the race? Answer. Sidambi had a passion for this sport. He had attempted a half marathon in 2006, Mumbai, and a full marathon in 2007. This race was a greater challenge he wanted to take on. Question 3. What kind of terrain did the marathoners have to face? Answer. The marathoners had to face sand dunes, rocky climbs, bare mountains, and canyons. Question 4. The participants were from different races, religions, and nationalities. How do you know this? Answer. The participants were from different races, religions, and nationalities because they were from 30 different countries. Question number 5. Why did Sidambi feel like giving up? What helped him to stay focused? Answer. Sidambi felt like giving up because stage 3 and stage 4 were very difficult and stage 5 was worse. Sidambi had blistered and sore feet, and the food did not agree with him. He stayed positive at all times, focusing on good thoughts. Question 3. Question 6. Why was a safe route marked out by glow sticks? Answer. A safe route was marked out by glow sticks as there were minefields in the area because of the border dispute between Chile and Argentina. Question number 7. Was it a kind thing to suggest to the runners that the glow sticks might have been moved? Answer. It was not a good idea to suggest to the runners that the glow sticks might have been moved because this would have caused the runners to go a long way to escape the mine, and it would have made things more difficult for the tired, tense runners. Question 8. Why does Sidambi say being first was merely an optional extra? Answer. The competitors were able to share hopes and fears. They were able to help each other, and a feeling of brotherhood had developed between them even though they were from different countries. That's why Sidambi said being first was merely an optional extra. Discuss and write. What do you think surviving the minefield ordeal can be compared to? Answer. Surviving the minefield ordeal can only be compared to a frightening experience with death. Question 2. Do you think the runners were conscious of the differences in their culture and backgrounds? Why do you think so? Answer. The runners were not conscious of the differences in their culture and backgrounds. Instead, they were celebrating a sense of brotherhood. In such circumstances, they would need each other's support, and the differences did not matter. Students, this is all, but I want you to do only four questions of the chapter, means half of the chapters you write and half you write next day. Okay, half write and learn, half questions up to question 4. Okay, and half question 4 to 8 or 7, whatever the questions, you write them, and these two questions, okay, the next day. Okay, your work will be easier then. Thank you for watching the video.